Hi Parrot friends, today I'll be reading you Parrot with a Hat with some help from Lulu and Puss from the Parrot Room. Parrot with a hat, lots of hats. Parrot with a cat. Parrot with a bat. Parrot with a splat.
Oh, that's yummy. I don't like chocolate.
Parrot with a hat. Parrot with an alley cat. Parrot with a hat. Cheers. Parrot with a bobcat. Parrot with a placemat. Where's my cake? Parrot with an acrobat. Whee! Parrot with a rat-a-tat-tat. Parrot with a hat. Yeehaw!
Parrot with a copycat. Parrot with a diplomat. Parrot with a what is that?
Ta-da! Parrot with a hat.
Parrot with a Mortal Kombat. Parrot with a long chit chat.
Hi, Mum. Hi. Yes, I know. Yes. Okay. Mum, we gotta go. We've been on the phone for a very long time. Okay, bye. Parrot with a headache. The